fabulous people! If you plan on traveling to Rome in December, in this Rome travel guide, we will share with you how to spend a perfect day in Rome during the holidays. And throughout the video, we will give you some fun ideas on what to do in Rome during Christmas holidays, whether you are traveling to Italy with a family or as a couple. And Pierre, take it from here.
And before we begin, just remember to smack that like button.
And if my vibe or our vibe and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe. All right, fabulous people, let's begin. Alright guys, so Pierre and I are going for breakfast to a new place in Rome. They've been actually open in Florence for decades, but this is a new opening in Rome. It's actually a really cool concept because they serve everything: breakfast, lunch, dinner, aperitivos. It's also a really nice store where you can get your presents for loved ones or for yourself. And it's actually a French word, right Pierre?
Yeah. That you pronounce it?
No, you pronounce it.
La ménagère.
La ménagère.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient.
Are you really drinking an Americano in a French brasserie
In Italy.
in Italy? That's a good choice.
Thank you.
Fast away the old year passes. La 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 la.
Guys, the place is an absolute wow, and the funniest thing just happened. Pierre asked me what is a French toast. And he's now looking it up online because as a French person, he has never heard of a concept of a French toast.
Okay guys, I found out that French toast is actually my favorite dessert, but I didn't know the name in English, so in French it's pain perdu, which I absolutely love that my mother was making for me since I was born. So yeah, now I learned something. You say French toast in your language. So how is your choice?
Very healthy, very American.
What is?
It's avocado with marinated salmon and a toast. Simple, delicious. Oh, and it has a little bit of sun-dried tomatoes and pistachios.
Guys, the breakfast was delicious. It was amazing.
The ambience,
The ambience.
so good, so beautiful.
Perfect to start a morning on Christmas time. And now we are heading to the Christmas world to have some fun, because, well, what's Christmas with no fun, right?
Exactly. And actually guys, Christmas World is a part of my top Christmas markets in Rome video, so if you haven't watched that one, definitely check it out. It's a great video and it will give you the overall of all the best Christmas markets in Rome, what is going on in different markets, where they're located, all the kind of good stuff. And I'm so excited because actually Christmas World is my personal favorite market, Christmas market in Rome. Pierre had to sit behind me because he is too tall for this, so his legs were not fitting in the same space with me. and Christmas Day. So if you plan on traveling to Rome for Christmas, especially with kids, this is such a fun place for you to enjoy as a family. If you are wondering what to do in Rome for Christmas, I recommend having an aperitivo at one of the numerous hotels in Rome that have the most stunning Christmas decorations. And tonight we brought you to one of these hotels, which is one of my favorite, Hotel Hustler, which is located in the Spanish Steps area. Monsieur Guiraud, what do we have here?
Well, we have a very nice drink, amaretto,
Yes.
my favorite. Now, what I like the most is that when you order a drink here in Rome and in Italy in general, you have your drink, but I always bring a lot of small food. So you have some cheese, parmigiano, you have some focaccia, and you can enjoy your drink with all that food. So you can have a second drink easily because you're eating. So then you can enjoy.
So good. I'm sure you're tempting everyone to travel to Italy as soon as possible.
Well, come to Italy and cheers.
Cheers. And of course, fabulous people, if you want to take all the worries out of your planning process for your trip to Italy, especially around the holiday season, then I definitely recommend for you to check out the concierge service of my travel agency, where we will plan, organize, and book every single thing for you, from accommodations and transportation to tours, activities, and even restaurants. And yes, even on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. And of course, I will make sure to leave you the link to my Fabulous Vita travel agency in the description down below. All right, fabulous people, thank you so much for watching this Rome holiday travel guide. We truly hope it gave you some fun ideas for your Rome holiday itinerary.
And before you start working for your next trip to Italy,
Please remember to smack that like button. And if you're new to my channel and my vibe and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe, and I truly hope to see you all in my next video. And you look over there.
where?
Okay, it's this. Thank you so much for watching this Rome holiday travel guide.
Can I eat?
Jolly ancient